my scissors, and I'm going to switch over here to my hay gloves. These are my nice toasty warm, but for this chore, I'm just going to have to suck it up. Ugh, there's hay inside. Oh, it makes me itch. And it makes my nose run too. That's another reason I have to carry those two hankies. Okay, got my scissors. That's to cut the bale string. And this is supposed to be a gardening tool. I use it for hoisting hay. Because it's heavy. Hey, put it here. This is a bale that's already been eaten up. When you got a little piece here that flakes off like this, you can come over here, you can see there's this natural separation. That is called a flake of hay. Dumb as it sounds. Okay, and now I need to bring this up here. I'm going to ask the cameraman to hold my scissors in. And I'm going to get this guy up. This is usually an Uncle Mike chore, but because he can't move his right arm and he's in a sling, we've had to find ways to get the chores done. We've gotten really creative and it works out just fine. I'm going to hand off my pick to the cameraman too. It's heavy. Alright, now I'm going to cut these strings. In here, you can get a close-up here. These strings are what holds all this hay together. There's two of them, and they've got to come undone. Got to search sometimes to find it. There. I'm going to hand off my scissors. Now I need to pull these strings off. I'm going to do it this way. Yeah. Oh, jeez. A long string. And that's the other one. Oh, this is just really awkward. And one of the stupid ailments of being older is arthritis. I cannot get that string off with my left hand. I'm going to have to do it the other way. I deal with it when it happens. Okay, so I'm going to start, and I'm going to get the little guys in here first. Okay, I grab a plate, and I try to hold it as far away from me as possible. And I'll come over here to the glass. I'll be back. I told you I'd be back. I'm kind of here. See this nice, it's called hay rick. Get the old hay out, and they don't eat it. Yeah, but you know what this does do for them? It pads their little house here, and that way it adds to the warmth. That sounds funny. They really like having a little warm place. That's taking longer than we thought. Yeah, okay, fresh flake. In they go. They are in goat heaven. Look at it, right at it. Whoa. Okay, we gotta get another couple flakes. No, let's keep going here. I also wanted to show you something in here, the chickens. Since we're right here. Chickens do something called molting. Every once in a while they lose all their feathers. Now, it doesn't look like there's any eggs, but I'm brave. I'm going to sneak my hand in here. Oh, you tried to get me, you little fart. There's a couple eggs. Ooh, there's a lot of eggs in there, and they're warm. We found that these darn chickens, they'll kick these eggs around from one box to the other. And they hide them. Ooh, they're warm. That'll warm up my hands. Nice. Ah, warm chicken eggs. Yum, yum. Bring them out here and put them in the collection bucket. Alright. That's enough to take in. It's so cold, it's like a refrigerator. We don't take them in every day. In the summer, of course, sometimes we take them in twice a day. Okay, back to the hay. I have to come back in here. And now I know that I'm going for the Heidi house. It's got a really big hay rick, so I'm going to see if I can balance two flakes. I think it'll work. Just sort of stick your finger in there, and it'll shake loose. All right. Well, there's one flake. There's two. He is actually heavy. And see how I don't think you can see the dust coming off it. Okay, let's get back over here. No one's in here. What? Somebody's in here. Who is there? Cinnamon. I'll tell you what Cinnamon wants. She can come out. She wants coffee. She can come out. She's a coffee drinker of all darn things. Wow, this hay rick is really empty. Put one in. And the second one. Okay, we're gonna take a break here for a minute. I'll see you back.